Are you feeling sluggish or out of balance? Many people struggle with pH levels. pH levels affect our energy, mood, and overall health. Today we'll explore how supplements can help you enhance your pH levels effectively. First, let's understand pH. pH measures how acidic or alkaline a substance is. A balanced pH, ideally around 7.4, is crucial for optimal health. Many lifestyles, like poor diet and stress, can lead to an acidic body. This imbalance may cause fatigue, discomfort, and disease. Let's discuss key supplements to balance your pH. The first is spirulina. This blue-green algae is rich in nutrients. Spirulina helps to alkalize the body quickly. Next, we have chlorella, another algae with detoxifying properties. It removes toxins and supports pH balance. Don't forget about magnesium. This mineral is essential for muscle and nerve function. Additionally, it promotes a more alkaline environment in your body. Another fantastic supplement is potassium. It helps regulate fluid balance and pH levels. Let's use an example. Imagine Sarah, who felt fatigued and bloated. She started taking spirulina and magnesium daily. Within weeks, her energy improved and her digestive issues subsided. This shows how supplements can make a significant difference. To summarize, maintaining a balanced pH level is vital for health. Key supplements like spirulina, chlorella, magnesium, and potassium can help. These powerful aids support your body's natural processes. Take action now. Consider adding these supplements to your routine. Start your journey to a healthier pH level today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips.